back on another video. Today, we will be playing some Roblox. As you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be playing some Identity Fraud with my brother. So, Will, why don't you say hello? Will, say hello. Say hello to the viewers. Yeah, he's boring, guys. He's boring. So, yeah. Let's just mute him, this kid. Focus on me. No, I'm just kidding. What? Yeah, I can hear you. I'm on the game and I'm also recording. So guys, we're gonna try and find each other. Shoot. I hope I don't run into a fake version of Lily Billy. Oh, Lily Billy! No, she's already on. Her name's Rainy Vibes. Yeah? Shoot. Shoot. I know, Will. Hold up. Yeah, I'm still recording. I don't know. They're probably not gonna be able to hear you. I don't know. Or was banging on the door? Will, are you in the living room? Go to your room, because I can hear the TV and it's really loud. Oh my god, I saw it! It literally just peeked the corner. Oh, you're dead. A mirror? What are you? Oh, that's kind of scary. A mirror? Are you sure it's a mirror? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, that's kind of scary, guys. Guys, send prayers for this kid, even though you guys can't hear him. Well, say what's up in the chat. Say what's up in the chat. Just say what's up. Just say it. Hey, Lily. I have no idea. Oh, the music stopped. What? Dude, shut up! No, I don't. What? What do you mean, was that me? I'm in a corner. I don't know, but you just said I like Lily. No, I like. Oh, she likes Ellie. He likes the Ellie. Oh, never mind. I hear her banging. She likes Lexi. Oh, she likes Lexi Hensler. No, so they're saying Lexi Hensler. Oh, Will! That's Will! Yeah, we found him! Guys, we found him! Will, scream in the mic so they can hear you. Oh, blood! Go to your room or something. I told you that's... Wait, it's gone. Yeah, it's not...
Wait. That is a bowl that we do. Please. Yeah. It's okay. It will come down here. Get out of there, though. Let go of it.
Bro, where'd the monster go? Oh! Whoa! This is the very top. What door? I don't see anything. Okay. Nope, he peeked. Yeah?
Did you take off your swimsuit?
Yeah?
Where's it at?
Hold on, be right back, Will.
Yeah. Nothing. No, I just need to get your wetsuit in the ocean. Yeah, this is a bowl I use to clean dishes. It's really dirty.
Ugh. Will? Someone's controlling me. Will, am I waving at you? Wait, well, tell me if I wave at you, because that's kind of creepy. What? Guess what? Oh! Is it fake? Wait! Rainy vibes! It's rainy vibes! Yeah, it is. Is it fake? Oh, no, that's not. That's not. What? No, it didn't. Guess what, Will? I'm the monster. See ya! How'd you go with that? Yay! Why is it dark right there? Wait. Oh, secret! I'm gone, dude. Teleported me. It teleported. Stop. Oh, it's the mirror. Wait, we went in a circle. Alright, bro. I got this. I told the I was recording too. Alright, guys. Alright, nothing there. Alright, we're good. It was fake. That was a fake person. I knew it. Well, that was a fake person the whole time. It didn't look at me, so I don't know. That was weird. No, it didn't. Didn't wave at me. I didn't see it. Oh! I saw the fake one. It just turned the corner. Watch that corner right here. Alright, come on, let's go. Go! Okay. Smart idea. Your friend Isabelli 7610 joined again. No, my friend. I told you. This way? Who just screamed? The frick? Alright, bro. Looking clear, looking clear. Alright. Oh, it's dark, I'm gone. Yo! Alright. No, that's not even my hashtag number. My hashtag number is not even that. Oh, by the way, guys, make sure to go add me on Discord. You know, I was having my fans back, you know? So add me on Discord, you know? We'll have a little chat. We were so close to the end, and then he had to kill us. Blah, 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 blah. Dude, why is it getting darker? Do you know why it's getting darker? Nope. No. No, I did not, so why don't you just be quiet? No? Why is it getting darker? Oh, wait. It's peeking his eyes. Why is it getting darker? Do you think the place is getting darker? Oh, we did. Let's see. Let's see. Let's just double check. Oh, yeah, you're right. We did. Okay, fine. Go, Will. Keep going. He was nowhere. He's behind me. At least I don't use Daddy's money for Robux. What are Robux? What, Dad? What's a family? Oh, so basically a thing where, I don't know. Sunday tickets. Don't want to have quarter. Alright guys, so we're going to end the video up here because we just cannot seem to find the exit though. So, I will see you all in the next video, which will be in like 2 seconds because I'm uploading this one and then make another one. So I will see you all in the next. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.